Hello, I'm going to show you how to use Wiser. Okay, so to get to Wiser, you go to app.wiser.me. Okay, it's simple to make an account. You can sign up using Google. For your students, they would enter their code here. Okay, so we're going to log in. And like I mentioned, you can log in using Google, Edmodo, or Microsoft. Okay, and then you just have to click for permission. And then that will take you into the Wiser account to the dashboard. Okay, from here you can see My Worksheets, which are your own worksheets, Learner Worksheets, which are created by your students, and the Wiser community is where you can search for worksheets that were created by other teachers. Okay, but this is going to focus on how to create your own worksheets. Okay, over here, community, that's another way to access worksheets that were created by other teachers. So let's go ahead and create a worksheet. All right, so this is very user-friendly. You can look over here to find a design that you like. So say, for example, we use this. You can pick which cover image you like, the color of the title, the font. The one that they have on default, I think, is more difficult to read, so we'll change that. Okay, so on that tile, you're able to pick your background, your cover image, the color, and your font for your header. So we're going to do Spanish, Ocean, Animals. It's going to be our title. Okay, and this is something you could use to create homework for your students. And then we have all of these options, and I'm going to go through each one. Okay, so an open question. Okay, so here you can create an audio question or a written question. Answer the following question in Spanish. Okay, and you see that we can use there's a special characters menu. So if you need to use accents, you can put it in there. And we'll just make a simple question. Which animal do you prefer? ¿Qué animal prefieres? And I actually like to have a question title. So we're going to move this down here and make this say question number 1. Okay, you can make it bold. You can change the color of the text or the background. So maybe I want to make this purple. You can add an image. You can add a link. Okay, it's incredibly user-friendly. Okay, so then maybe I want to record this. ¿Qué animal prefieres? Click upload. ¿Qué animal prefieres? Or I could record a video. Okay, where you can actually record yourself in a video asking the question. Okay, so let's save that so we can see what it looks like. Okay, we can review it. And that's when we can see what the student would see. Okay, so there we have it. Question number 1. Answer the following questions in Spanish. ¿Qué animal prefieres? ¿Qué animal prefieres? Okay, and then the students can write in here, or the students can also record their answer, and it allows them to record it right here, or they can record a video answer, whatever you want to instruct them to do. Okay, so that is how you would create an open-ended question on Wiser. Okay, so if you want to add a question, go back to create and edit. Okay, since you saved it, it should save your work. And we are going to add a new task. So next we're going to do multiple choice. Okay, so maybe you don't want to have them see the question, you want them to hear it. So number 2, listen to the audio and answer the question about the picture. Answer the question. Okay, so let's find a picture. We're going to go into my pictures and see my ocean animals. So we're talking about ocean animals.